Welcome to Pip Insight. Thursday the 9th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture for showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, pound dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar yen, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, this one's worth your full attention, because right now, gold is sitting at a genuinely interesting crossroads heading into the London Open. Price is currently trading around $4,117, and the overall bias is neutral with a weak lean. Here's why it's complicated. The H4 structure is still technically in a downtrend following that sharp drop from the $4,187 highs down to the $4,032 lows earlier this week. However, the Asian session staged a respectable recovery, reclaiming the H4 EMA cluster sitting between $4,111 and $4,113. That's a short-term positive, but it doesn't flip the broader picture. The H4 MACD remains negative, RSI is sitting just below 50 at 46, and price is a long way below the EMA 200 up at $4,254. The bulls have done enough to stabilize, not enough to take control. The critical question for London is whether gold can clear and hold above the $4,127 to $4,145 resistance band. Failure there keeps the downtrend narrative intact. On the downside, the $4,063 to $4,080 support zone is the level bears need to reclaim to resume pressure. Fundamentally, unemployment claims at 8:30 Eastern could move the dollar. A softer reading may weaken the dollar and give gold a lift, while a stronger print could cap this recovery. FOMC member William speaking later is lower impact but worth monitoring for any rate tone shifts. Watch for $1,127 to the upside and $4,080 to the downside. Those are your key reaction levels into this session. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3427 and 1.3432. Support is marked between 1.3388 and 1.3395. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 162.58 and 162.71. Support is marked between 162.2 and 162.24. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8084 and 0.8108. Support is marked between 0.8035 and 0.8065. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.574 and 0.57598. Support is marked between 0.5706 and 0.5725. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.419 and 1.4225. Support is marked between 1.414 and 1.4161. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 217.932 and 218.01. Support is marked between 217.535 and 217.614. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.